You don't have to use all of the products that I used this evening. However, when you do your routine, you can choose what's best for you and what your skin is going through. Hey Cam fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In tonight's video, I'll be sharing with you my bedtime skincare routine. So, sit back, relax, and go to bed with me. At this point, everyone should know not to go to bed with makeup on. So first, I'm going to remove this makeup with my first step in tonight's regimen, a cleansing oil. This is the CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil by Yensa. I've used this before. I really enjoy this product. It removes makeup very quickly and easily from my face. It doesn't make my face feel greasy or leave behind any kind of film that I have to feel like I'm putting effort into removing with my cleanser. I always rub my lips last because depending on what shade of lipstick I'm wearing, I really don't want that all over my face. Go ahead and give my face a rinse. Okay, Cam fam, after I remove any makeup using a cleansing oil, I actually proceed using my cleanser during my in-shower hygiene routine. This is the Total Cleanser by Fenty Skin. This is a moisturizing, hydrating, very effective cleanser. I'm back out of the shower, dressed, ready for my toner. This is the Fat Water Toner by Fenty Beauty. Something that I love about this toner is that it serves a dual purpose. This Fat Water Toner by Fenty Beauty is also a serum. However, in today's routine, I still do use a serum. Next is the Kale and Vitamin B Serum Shot by Sweet Chef. I have been using this stuff like crazy. This is my favorite serum right now. I don't think I'll be replacing it with anything anytime soon. I'm going to go ahead and restock. I love this stuff. It doesn't leave my face feeling greasy or filmy or even like I put anything on. It is so lightweight. So I just rubbed the Sweet Chef in all over my face, give my face a moment to absorb it. If you have an eye serum, I highly recommend you use your eye serum in your eye area before moving on to your moisturizers. I will be using the Hey Honey Look Into My Eyes Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask. I'm just going to dab a little on my finger and pat it into my under eye area. Products in your skincare routine that contain words like serums also contain active ingredients that are really going to drive the difference that you see when you wake up in the morning or even days or weeks later. If you're of age where you start noticing fine lines and wrinkles on your skin, consider using products that contain retinol. Retinol is one of the active ingredients used in fighting the signs against aging. After applying my eye serum, I move on to my final step of my nighttime skincare routine. This is the Overnight Gel Recovery Cream from Fenty Beauty. At the end of my PM routine, I like to pack my final product or my final moisturizer in because at that point I really don't want to drag everything that I've just layered onto my face around. I kind of want it to stay layered. And move on to my final step, lips. This is the Hydrating Lip Peel by Stacked Skincare. This stuff is incredible for working through lips that need to be exfoliated. You have lips that are peeling constantly, they're cracked. Highly effective product, especially for anyone who may be experiencing dark or sunburned lips. Last in my beauty routine, after I've done everything that I've done and I put my treatment on my eyes and on my skin and on my lips, the very last thing I do is moisturize my lips. This is the Vitamin E treatment by Feel. I love this lip stuff. It goes on really smooth. You guys, try this. I know I've been telling you guys to try everything. It's because I've just been all over the place and I can tell you that this stuff works. Or not, but this stuff works. That's it, fam. That concludes tonight's PM skincare. My skin is ready for bed, ready to be refreshed and rejuvenated and just remade for tomorrow morning. I'm so excited for the glowy, fresh skin that I'm gonna have tomorrow morning and for you as well if you tried this regimen. So if you don't already have a PM skin routine, I highly recommend giving some or all of these products a try. You don't have to use all of the products that I used this evening. However, when you do your routine, pick and choose what's best for you and what your skin is going through. Our skin changes, so your product should change with it. Anyway, Cam fam, you all have a wonderful evening and I will see you in the next one.